Microsoft 365. Learn how a simple, powerful solution can keep your data safe and your business running when you need it most. Read it now.
Yeah. Let me know if you can see the presentation.
Yep, visible device.
Okay. Thank you for the confirmation. And again, good afternoon, and thank you for attending our webinar. Specifically, my topic will be our specific product for our Microsoft 365 backup, which is our Veeam Data Cloud for Microsoft 365. But first, before I deep dive on why we back up Microsoft 365, I'll just have a short intro of who is Veeam. So Veeam is a global leader when it comes to backup, disaster recovery, and modern data protection. So with Veeam, you can be able to protect your workloads, whether it is a virtual, physical, cloud environment, SaaS, even Kubernetes environment, and also unstructured data. So this particular webinar is only focused on one of our supported workloads, which is our Microsoft 365. So to start, so when it comes to your data, we recognize that it is the lifeblood of every organization, for every company, that it is very important that you have a backup, and that applies as well to Microsoft 365, even though it is located in the cloud. So still, Microsoft 365 backup is critical, and you can still experience data loss. So here we have the numbers from Voice of the Enterprise, which is focusing more on the disaster recovery. So here, based on the data, there is a 31% growth in data. They are seeing that it is expected that there is a data growth within the next 12 months. And it is not surprising because many users is already using Microsoft 365, and we store our data, our important files, to either Exchange or SharePoint, even on Microsoft Teams. So when it comes to cyber loss risk, so 23% of the downtime as well as the data loss is caused by an issue of a ransomware. So it is ransomware is not just on premise, because even Microsoft 365 can experience ransomware. And when it comes to the recovery, it can be costly, because when it comes to a data loss, there is a significant effort for you to do the recovery. It is not as simple as performing restore, because there should be significant effort for it to be fully restored and be able to continue the normal operations. And now we discuss the responsibility. So we have here the Microsoft 365 shared responsibility model, wherein it clearly states that you, as a customer, not the Microsoft team, is responsible over your organization's Microsoft 365 data. As you can see on the blue part, on the upper part, so the Microsoft's responsibility or primary responsibility is to provide the near perfect uptime of its cloud services. So that includes the data replication, geo-redundancy, as well as the security. So whereas you, as the customer, you are responsible of the total access and control over your data. So it is different from backup. So the Microsoft does not back up your data, whereas it is your responsibility to be able to do the backup. And we also have identified 7 primary reasons why you need to back up Microsoft 365. So there is one truth here, which is a lot can go wrong when it comes to Microsoft 365 data. So the most common, of course, will be the accidental deletion. But you may say that if it is accidental deletion, there is a feature within Microsoft that can save us, because for example, on Exchange, of course, there is deleted items. For OneDrive or SharePoint, there is the recycled bins. But that comes with the next part, which is the retention policy confusion or gaps. Because based on Microsoft's documentation, by default, on Exchange is that it will stay on the deleted items for 14 days. At maximum, you can set it up to 30 days. While for the recycled bins, it can be around 45 days. But the truth will be it will be permanently deleted. So there is no forever when it comes to the files that we have accidentally deleted. We still need to be able to know that the emails or the files is there for you to do the recovery. But if not, if it reached the limit, of course you won't be able to to restore your data. Additionally, there are also internal security threats. So this includes the resigning employees, whether they purposely deleted the important files or the IT itself already deleted their Microsoft account. So there is a limit there, number of days wherein all of the data will be permanently deleted. And as mentioned on the previous slide, there is external security threats because not only ransomware but also rogue applications can also affect your Microsoft 365 data. Then, additionally, the compliance requirements. So, if you have the policy or the requirements to have more than 1 year of the backup, the retention of your backups, of course, you will need a backup solution, not just trusting the default policies that Microsoft can provide. And there is as well hybrid deployments and also, lastly, the Teams data structure wherein within the Microsoft Teams, you can be able to access your SharePoints, even the calendars. There are also conversations that you can do with Microsoft Teams. So all of this can be the reason or is our reason why you need to back up your Microsoft 365. So this is our Veeam Data Cloud portfolio. Just to give you a background, Veeam Data Cloud started 2024 and the pioneer or our flagship product for the Veeam Data Cloud is actually Microsoft 365. So the aim here is that this solution is an industry leading technology. The license will be all inclusive and as well as this is a SaaS platform so that you will have minimal uh, problems or any configurations will be minimalized because of this Veeam Data Cloud offering. So along with our support for Microsoft 365, we have as well support to protect Entra ID and other SaaS uh, environments, and more will be added actually under our Veeam Data Cloud portfolio. So now we focus on the Veeam Data Cloud for Microsoft 365. So it is the leading Microsoft 365 backup solution, delivering reliable backups and as well as lightning fast recovery for your Exchange, SharePoint, OneDrive, Microsoft Teams, and we have a bundling wherein you can even include the backup of Entra ID. So with this, we can be able to protect your emails, files, sites, and even conversations. So we highlighted three major features, which is the first one is the trusted industry leading tech or technology. So on the past slides, I've mentioned that Veeam Data Cloud started 2024. But as you can see here, the slide contains that it is over a decade of continuous innovation. Because actually, we have another deployment option, which is called the Veeam Backup for Microsoft 365. So it was released 2016 actually. That is our solution wherein it is software only. So with that option, you will need to provide your own server, your own storage on your own environment. But with this Veeam Data Cloud for Microsoft 365, since this is software as a service solution, so it will be included, which later I'll discuss more. So here, the message is that the same technology, the same algorithm to make up that Vim backup for Microsoft 365, the capabilities to do the backup as well as recovery is applied to this SaaS solution, which is why you can consider that this is not a new technology. We have experience already and we have existing customers that is also using this backup for Microsoft 365. So we have more than 26 million Microsoft 365 users protected already with our solution. And we have also customers that is using this backup solution in the Philippines. So we are a key Microsoft 365 backup partner. And below is the our partnership with Microsoft, and we are also recognized by Microsoft as a storage platinum partner. So we work hand in hand with Microsoft uh, on delivering this backup and recovery solution. Next that we highlight is that this is modern, secure, and intuitive. So since this is SaaS, usually the concern is more on the security. But let's first start with the deployment. So I have mentioned that this is SaaS, and with a SaaS, you don't need to worry on your server, the other components of Vim like proxy and even repository. With that, the deployment will be much faster because you will just need to access your Vim Data Cloud portal and a simple onboarding steps, and you can already create your first backup job. On us, you have also the freedom to choose what region will be the location of your backup storage. So the nearest in the Philippines is the Singapore region. And when it comes to the management naman, so this is intuitive point and click user interface. So even non-IT personnel can easily be able to understand how the solution works or how to manage this portal. It is designed to be very simple, but a complete backup and recovery solution. In terms of the security, we have the global security certifications, multi-factor authentications. There is also role-based access and control here. By default, the backups are also encrypted, and even the backup storage is also immutable so that you have protection against ransomware. Then lastly, I highlight our everything is included. So just like what I have shared earlier, the Microsoft 365 shared responsibility. So this one is the shared responsibility for the Veeam Data Cloud for M365. On the left side is the Veeam Managed Service Delivery. So as mentioned, the core components, the server, the proxy, the storage will be part of Veeam's responsibility, but I'll highlight here that we are offering this as unlimited storage. So what does it mean if it is unlimited storage? So with that, you don't need to worry on how much data per user is being backed up, and as well as how long you want to retain your data. If you want to retain it for more than 5 years, it's okay. As long as you have subscription with Veeam, Veeam will not delete your data for the span of 5 years, the one that you have set, even to keep it forever. So as long as you have a subscription with Veeam, your data stays there. So that's the advantage of the unlimited storage. In terms of the operations, the networking, infrastructure management, even the maintenance will be handled by Veeam. Even the updates, the security patches. So you don't need to worry if you have or you need to do an update, you want to be on the latest update because Veeam will automatically do it for you. Veeam will handle all of those updates and security patches. So what's left with you as a customer. So you are responsible, of course, to create your own backup job and as well as be able to maintain that you have a successful backup. Then, lastly, is of course in terms of the recovery. So you can be able to do granular recovery or even recovery of the whole mailbox, the whole sites with our user interface. There is also what we call e-discovery, wherein you can use this to do advanced search and find. There is a pre-configured categories and filters that you can use so that you can be able to easily identify which specific files or emails is the one you are looking for. So mainly, you as a customer will be responsible of the backup and recovery, while for the needed components in order to perform the backup, it will be Veeam's responsibility. And if you have also watched the video before we start this webinar, there is already a topic of the advanced threat detection. So this is also a common topic when I present the backup in general, because of course the common concern of the customers is that how do they make sure or how will they know if the backup created by Veeam contains threats. So now we have the advanced threat detection included uh, on our portal. With this, Veeam Data Cloud will automatically analyze the backup data for any security threats. And once it has detected, it will flag the infected files as malware, or possible if it is more on encryption, suspicious encryption, it will mark it as ransomware. So with Veeam, this is more on threat detection. It will not scan the file, but it is more on the behavioral, more on analyzing the file metadata and also behavioral signals, and also uses machine learning when it comes to analyzing the possible anomaly within the created backup. So I have here a video so that you will have a view as well on how it looks like on our Veeam Data Cloud portal. So our Veeam Data Cloud portal is cloud.veeam.com. And once you have logged in, you have an option to log in as your user in Microsoft or in Veeam account. But this will be your first view, which is you will select Microsoft 365 and select your created tenant. So once you have selected your tenant, it will have the view of the dashboard, wherein you have the view or reports, short reports on the backup status, the backup storage, even the license activity. You can be able to view it here. So it is very simple. You can view the notifications under, of course, the notifications. You can generate reports or you can schedule automatic reports. This backup policies, under backup policies is where you can set or configure your backup job policies, select which users you need to back up, and also be able to filter if what specific Microsoft applications yung iba-back up. But you can select by default all, and then the restore is for the restore capabilities. But we highlight here under the management is the threats. So when it comes to threats, you can view here under the malware threats for those detected by Veeam as malware threats. So as mentioned, this is more on threat detection. Veeam will be able to show you what file, what specific path. As you can see here, the file location. And then you will need to use third-party tool to be able to confirm, to scan, and also be able to delete or quarantine the file. So the purpose of Veeam here is for us to inform you that there is a sign or based on the behavior that this is a threat. So with this, after you have already identified if it is a confirmed threat, you can click the on under the actions, the resolve. So next as well, there is the ransomware threats. And as mentioned, this is still based on the behavior. So still you can be able to find the file location and then you to do the actions to scan this and be able to delete this file if it is confirmed as a threat. So mainly that is how the advanced threat detection works. So on this simple video. So to continue the presentation, this one. So we have here the Veeam Data Cloud for M365. So again, what we can protect under the Microsoft 365 is your Exchange, SharePoint, OneDrive for business, and also Microsoft Teams. And based on what edition that you will have, so we have three editions actually, but you can be able to include Entra ID to also protect those Entra ID data. So here you can be able to select which region of your choice will be the location of your backup storage. You can do granular recovery. You can be able to also have the advantage of a fast backup and fast bulk recovery with Veeam. So if in case you're interested on a deep dive session, let us know so that we can discuss more on the different editions that we can offer under our Veeam Data Cloud for Microsoft 365. So we also have here the interactive product tour. So if in case you want to also view how you can be able to navigate within the Veeam Data Cloud for Microsoft 365. So here it will be able to show you the backup and restore capabilities of Veeam by uh, scanning the QR code on the slide. And just to conclude as well on our webinar. So again, when it comes to Veeam Data Cloud for Microsoft 365, it is your deployment, one of your deployment option, especially if you want to have a software as a service or backup as a service solution, wherein it comes with unlimited storage. It is already modern, secure, and intuitive so that you can be able to easily manage your Microsoft 365 data backups. And as mentioned, this is just part of our portfolio of our workloads that we can back up, but we also have our Veeam Data Platform portfolio. So here on our Veeam Data Platform portfolio, we can be able to support backup of cloud, the top hyperscalers. We have support for backup of AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Even Entra ID backup is included under our Veeam Data Platform. Virtual machines like this hypervisors, but actually more will be added on the upcoming version of Veeam, but by on our current version, so these are the hypervisors that we have support of, including as well HPE VM Essentials. If what you want to protect is physical workloads. So we have support for Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and also Unix environment. If you are particular on a consistent backup of your applications, especially databases, so these are the databases that we have integration of, including as well support for backing up Active Directory. Lastly, unstructured data. So we have support to back up network attached storage, file shares, and even backup of object storage. So not part of this portfolio, but we can even support backup of Kubernetes. So this is the workloads that we can be able to protect. And if you want to have a deep dive session with us, feel free to contact the One Depot team and we can discuss more based on your backup requirement. So any questions?